Okay, I just made it to the customer and I'm about to drop off a container. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a U-turn and then back in. So I gotta put it on spot. I gotta go to spot 258. So once I go to spot 258, I'll do a U-turn and then back in. So try to get as close as you can to these containers on your right hand side. Containers, trailers, whatever. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna count the first, which is that one right there. I'm gonna count that one first. And then first I'm gonna pass this one, count that one. My front bumper will reach the edge of that, and then I'll do the U-turn. And I'm gonna do that right now. See my bumper, and then start cutting. Then all you have to do is just perform the rest. See, that's basically what you want to do. Just back in. See? That's it. Just do a U-turn. You know, you count. When you're coming in, you count. You count one, and then boom. Do the U-turn, and then perform the maneuver. That's all you have to do. And that's all it takes. All right? So that's basically what it is. All right, my peoples? If you want to learn, see more, I got some more videos. Just go through my channels, and also on the bottom of the description, I'll have more links to videos so you can get an idea on how I back up. All right, my peoples? Thanks for watching. Be safe. God bless. Later.